Hello, my name is Marie and I'm a volunteer peer support worker for Eastern Academic. The topic that I'm going to speak about today is mental health. I have lived experience of mental health, so I know what it entails and how difficult it can be when the services just aren't there available to people, especially the ones that I'm going to share with you today. It's important because it's valuable to Northstowe community. I believe that people expressed the need for more mental health support in communities. I feel that I can relate to them with mental health. I can understand what they are saying to me. I can empathise with them about mental health, and I just think it's really important. There's so much that can be done to support mental health in communities, and I feel that it can be easily done as well. There's lots that can be done, and also waiting times for therapy for people. What do people with mental health diagnoses have in between their waiting periods? There needs to be something for them to do. There needs to be someone for them to see, a peer support worker or someone maybe that can support them in that time while they're waiting, which would take the pressure off of therapists and psychologists, psychiatrists, etc., etc. So there was a young lady that wanted to see more drop-in centres for like 24-hour mental health services available to people with mental health, as there's a shortfall. Also the crisis team, you've got to be in crisis to literally get any support for mental health, when actually before it gets to the crisis there should be prevention. Yeah, there was a young lady that had to almost get to have suicidal tendencies. I mean, she did have suicidal tendencies, but she had to be in that crisis point before anybody would intervene. She wanted someone to support her while she was going through a difficult time, but she wasn't at that point where she needed the crisis team. The crisis team wouldn't help her, so she needed something there. There was a gap in where she needed support, and then I think the system failed her. What can you do to change mental health support in Northstowe?